our general math tutorials. I am Teacher Neth, and if this is the first time you have viewed Teacher Neth Explains, kindly subscribe, like, and tap the notifications bell. So this time we're going to study how to evaluate functions. To evaluate means to solve, and there are two steps on how to evaluate functions. First step is to substitute the given value to all the variables in a function. And second step is to perform the operations. And that's it. That's how we evaluate functions. So let's have these following examples.
First example, given f of x equals 3x plus 2, find the value of the function if x is equal to negative 1. So in order to evaluate the given function at x equals negative 1, we're just going to substitute negative 1 to all x's of the given function. So that is we now have this equation. We just substituted negative 1 to all x's of the given function f of x. Then 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. We just copied 2. Then negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. Hence, f of negative 1 is equal to negative 1. Okay, next, given g of x equals 4x squared minus 5, find the value of the function if x is equal to 3. So just like what we did in the first example, here in the second example, we will also substitute 3 to all the x's in the given function. So function g of x will now become g of 3 equals 4 times 3 squared minus 5. And then, g of 3 is equal to 4 times 3 squared is 9. Okay, why did we not multiply 4 by 3 first? Because we followed PEMDAS. E comes first before M, multiplication. Exponent first before multiplication. Then minus 5. Okay, then we have 4 times 9 minus 5. So, which operation must be performed first? Is it multiplication or subtraction? By PEMDAS, we should multiply first. So, multiply 4 by 9 first. 4 times 9, 36 minus 5. So, g of 3 is equal to 36 minus 5, 31. So, g of 3 is equal to 31. Okay? Next, given j of n equals 3n plus 1, find j of x minus 1. Okay, so again, first we have to substitute x minus 1 to all n variables in the given function. So this given function will now become j of x minus 1 equals 3. Remember, substitute x minus 1 to all n's. This n will now become x minus 1 plus 1. Okay? So, j of x minus 1 is equal to, distribute 3 to x and to negative 1. So, 3 times x is 3x. And then 3 times negative 1 is negative 3 plus 1. So, j of x minus 1 is equal to, by combining like terms, we have 3x, combine negative 3 and 1. Negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. It's already simplified. So, j of x is equal to 3x minus 2. Next. Evaluate k of n equals 5n minus 1 all over 2n plus 4 at n is equal to negative 3. So again, we're going to substitute the given value, negative 3, to all n's of the given function. So the given function will now become k of negative 3 is equal to 5 times negative 3 minus 1 all over 2 times negative 3 plus 4. Okay? Okay, perform the operations on the numerator. By following PEMDAS, we're going to multiply 5 by negative 3 first. It's negative 15 minus 1. In the denominator, we're also going to observe PEMDAS, so multiply 2 by negative 3 first. It's negative 6 plus 4. Since negative 15 and negative 1 have the same signs, then we're going to add their absolute values. So 15 plus 1 is 16, then copy their common sign, which is negative. Then for the denominator, since they have different signs, we're going to subtract them. 6 minus 4 is 2, then copy the sign of the number with the greater absolute value, and that's 6. So it's negative 2. Then we're going to simplify. Negative divided by negative is positive. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So k of negative 3 is equal to positive 8. Okay, evaluate h of x equals x squared plus 3x minus 8 at x equals 4. So again, we're going to substitute the given value of x to all x's in the given function. So that is h of 4 equals 4 squared plus 3 times 4 minus 8. That will now become h of 4 equals, by following PEMDAS, we're going to raise first this 4 to its power, which is 2. So that's 4 squared, or meaning to say, we're going to multiply 4 twice by itself. That's 4 times 4, 16, plus 3 times 4, 12, minus 8. So h of 4 is equal to 16 plus 12, it's 28, minus 8 is 20. Therefore, h of 4 is equal to 20.
Hope you have learned how to evaluate functions. So don't forget the 2 steps we have to consider. First step is to substitute a given value to all the variables in a function. And second step is to perform the operations. Until next time!